Did you know you can make your own wax melts with all natural ingredients? Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to turn their essential oils into products that they can use in their home every day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your own wax melts so that you can not only save money, but also have peace of mind in knowing what's in your products. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started making these summer spice wax melts. Before I tell you what you'll need, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy and fun for you to use your essential oils to make natural products. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth DIY candle box, where along with this wax melt recipe, you can make 6 different natural candle themed recipes. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe and more. Everything that you'll need will be delivered right to your door, and we'll even throw in a big bonus box for you. You can also find all of the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be getting my ingredients from the Simply Earth DIY candle recipe box. Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to find my recipe card, and let's see what we need. From our recipe box, we're going to use orange cassia and lemon eucalyptus for the essential oils. From our big bonus box, we're going to grab our beeswax, as well as our coconut oil. And from your home, a container to melt everything in. Last but not least, you're going to need a silicone mold. You can buy this on Simply Earth's website. You may have gotten it in one of the recipe boxes prior, or we also have these cute little leaf molds that are also available on our website. Some of you may also have a mold like this or an ice cube tray at home. You also could use something like that. Let's get started. In a microwave safe container, we are going to melt our coconut oil as well as our beeswax. So we are using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of beeswax. All right, we are going to pop this in the microwave for short intervals, about 15 to 30 seconds. And once it's melted, I'll be right back. All right, now that everything is melted down, we are gonna put our essential oils into our mixture and then pour it in our mold. So we need 15 drops of orange, 10 drops of cassia, and last but not least, 5 drops of lemon eucalyptus. All right, now that all our essential oils are into our mixture, I'm gonna stir this up really well to make sure that they are evenly distributed in our mixture. All right, now that everything is ready to go, I'm gonna pour this into my mold. Now that these are poured into their molds, I'm gonna let them set, and when they're dry, they'll be ready to be used. Let's test it out. They smell absolutely amazing. They make me think of fall, and you are absolutely gonna love these. To use, take your wax melt and put it into a wax melt warmer. This scent reminds me of a cozy bookstore, and you're gonna love them. One thing about natural wax melts is that they aren't gonna smell as fragrant as some of the store-bought ones. If you want it to be a little more fragrant, you can add more essential oils. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of your creation and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all of your lovely creations too. You'll also be entered into a $5 gift card giveaway from sending us your content. For more recipes like this, go ahead and give us a like and make sure that you're following.